Configuring a fraud detection suite in Authorize Net is a crucial step in protecting your online business from fraudulent transactions. To begin, log into your Authorize Net account and navigate to the Fraud Detection Suite section. Here you will find a variety of settings and options to help you customize your fraud detection. The first step is to enable the Fraud Detection Suite, which will allow you to set up rules and filters to flag potentially fraudulent transactions. Next, you will need to set up your rules and filters. Authorize Net provides a range of pre-configured rules, including velocity filters, IP address filters, and transaction amount filters. You can also create custom rules based on your specific business needs. For example, you may want to flag transactions from certain countries or transactions that exceed a certain amount. You can also set up rules to flag transactions that are processed at unusual hours or from unfamiliar IP addresses. Once you have set up your rules and filters, you will need to configure your threshold settings. This determines the sensitivity of your fraud detection suite, with higher thresholds flagging more transactions as potentially fraudulent. It is also important to configure your action settings, which determine what happens to transactions that are flagged as potentially fraudulent. You can choose to hold transactions for review, cancel them, or send them for further verification. Best practices for configuring your fraud detection suite include regularly reviewing and updating your rules and filters, monitoring your transaction activity, and adjusting your threshold settings as needed. It is also important to test your fraud detection suite regularly to ensure it is working correctly and not flagging legitimate transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively configure your fraud detection suite in Authorize Net and help protect your online business from fraudulent transactions. Remember to keep your fraud detection suite up to date and adapt it to your changing business needs. With the right configuration and regular monitoring, you can minimize the risk of fraudulent transactions and maximize your online sales.